Hi everyone, let's do Unit 10 today, my favorite character. Let's look at the picture first. What do you see here? Do you see the boys and the girls? Who's this? Yes, Harry Potter. What's he wearing? He is wearing a black coat and he has something in his hand. What is it? It's a magic wand. He has a scarf around his neck and he's wearing glasses, right? And he has two friends. Okay, very good. Do you like Harry Potter? Have you read the books? Or have you seen the movie? I have read all the books and seen all the movies. I love the Harry Potter series. How about you? Okay, so today's story is about Harry Potter. Let's read the story first. A boy wizard. Harry Potter is my favorite character. He or she is a very interesting boy. He or she. Harry Potter is a boy, so he. Then you can circle he. He is a very interesting boy. Harry is or are a wizard. Is or are? Which one? Is, yes. Harry is one person, right? For one person, you use is. Harry is a wizard. He is smart and brave. He's very brave, isn't he? He have or has black round glasses. Have or has? Has. Very good. So you can circle has. He has black round glasses. He doesn't have parents, right? He doesn't have a mother or a father. He doesn't have brothers or sisters. No brother, no sister. But he has wonderful friends on or at school. Which one? On or at? At, right. Circle at. He has wonderful friends at school. Okay, so let's read this together, everyone. Now check true or false. Number 1. Harry is a wizard. True or false? True. So check here. Harry is a wizard. Harry has a sister. True or false? False. He doesn't have a sister. So check here. Harry has wonderful friends. True or false? True. Yes, he has good friends. So check true. Let's check the answers here. True, false, true. Okay, very good. Now let's do the word practice. Let's look at the words first. Brave, pretty, smart, round, strong, tiny. Let's look at the picture to learn the meaning of the words. Brave. Brave means not being scared easily. This fireman is brave. Spider-Man is brave. Are you brave? Pretty. Pretty means looking nice. Cinderella is very pretty. Smart. Smart means studying well and knowing a lot. Hermione is very smart, isn't she? Round. This fish is round. What else is round? A ball is round. Strong. This boy is very strong. Are you strong? Tiny. Tiny means very small. This ant is tiny. So we know all the words. That's great. Now let's look at number 1. This is Hermione, Harry Potter's friend. Hermione is blank. Which word do you want to use? You can choose and write. Brave? Yes, I think she's brave. Hermione is pretty? Yes, you can write pretty too. I think Hermione is smart, so I'll write smart here. Okay, she has long red something. What is long and red? Yes, hair. So right, hair. Let's do number 2. What's this? Spider-Man. Have you seen the movie? Do you like it? I like it very much. I think Spider-Man is cool. So, Spider-Man is blank. Which word do you want to use? Brave? Strong? Yes. Choose one and write. I'll write strong. He has a blue and red costume. Yes, right, costume. He has a blue and red costume. Okay, let's move on to grammar practice. When do you use have and when do you use has? Look at this chart. When you talk about I, we, you, they, then you use have. How about has? You can use has for she, he, or it. Now, let's look at number 1. Look at the picture and the sentence. She blank long hair. Have or has? Has, yes. She has long hair. Her hair is very long. Okay, number 2, they. Blank new car. Have or has? Have, yes. They have a new car. Look at that car. It's new and shiny. Great. Now let's try number 3. Let's do some more practice with have and has. Now look, this is my bag. And I have something in my bag. Let's find out what I have in my bag. I have a cake. Yummy. I have a book. I have a ball. Now, let's see what Harry Potter has in his bag. Okay, I wonder what he has. He has a wand. Expecto Patronum. He has a mouse. And he has an owl. That's what he has in his bag. All right, let's review one more time. In my bag, I have a ball, I have a book, and last but not least, I have a cake. And let's review one more time what Harry Potter has in his bag. He has a wand. He has an owl. And he has a mouse. Circle the number and say the sentences. Here we have subject, verb, and others. And we can make sentences using these. So, number 1, I can make 1, 2, 3 sentences with I. How many sentences do you think you can make with I? 1 or 2 or 3? Let's try. Okay, let's start with I. I have 2 brothers. Is that a sentence? Yes. So we can make 1 sentence. Let's try one more. I have a new bike. Is that sentence correct? Yes. So we can make 2 sentences. Let's try one more. I have smart. I have smart? Is that right? No, that's not right. I am smart is the correct sentence. Right. How about I has? No, that's not correct. How about I is? No, that's not right. How many sentences can we make with I? 2 sentences. Great. Let's try number 2. How many sentences can you make with John? John have? No, that's not correct. John has? Yes, John has 2 brothers. Yes, we made 1 sentence. Next, John has a new bike? Yes, that's a correct sentence. How about John is smart? Is that a correct sentence? Yes, So, how many sentences can we make with John? 3. Excellent. Okay, let's move on to writing practice. Look, we have an idea web here. Look at the idea web and write the sentences using is or has. We need to use is or has, okay? What's in the middle of the idea web? Cinderella. This idea web is about Cinderella. Do you know the story about Cinderella? Okay, let's look at number 1. My favorite character. Cinderella, my favorite character. Can you make a sentence using is or has? Cinderella is my favorite character, or Cinderella has my favorite character. Which one is the correct sentence? Yes, Cinderella is my favorite character. Great. So you can write the sentence here. Cinderella is my favorite character. Now let's try number 2. Pretty. Cinderella is pretty. Do you use is or has? Cinderella is pretty, or Cinderella has pretty? Great. Cinderella is pretty. Write the sentence here. Now let's do number 3. We talked about Cinderella. Now it's time to talk about your favorite character. Yes, here we have a new idea web. You can make your idea about your favorite character. Look at number 1, my favorite character. Please write your favorite character here in the middle. Who's your favorite character? Harry Potter, Spider-Man? Okay, did you write your favorite character? My favorite character is Batman, so I'll write Batman here. Do you know Batman? This is Batman. He is strong and brave. He wears a black mask and gray costume. He drives a black car, and he has a good friend. His name is Robin. He fights with bad people and saves his city. So I'll write strong, brave, and a black mask and a black car. And a good friend in the idea web. Now I finished my idea web. Can you do yours? Let's go ahead and take a look at the word bank if you need some words. We have brave, pretty, round, smart, strong, tiny, costume, friends, hair, skin, stepmother, and wand. And you can also use your own words if you'd like. Now we are ready to do the final writing. Draw your favorite character here and write your story here. You organized your ideas already in the idea web, so you just need to make sentences. It's very easy. Here's my writing. Let's read it together. Batman. Batman is my favorite character. He is strong and brave. He has a black mask and he has a black car. He doesn't have parents, but he has a good friend. Great. When you finish your writing, please check your writing here. Here is the checklist. Let's look at the checklist together. So number 1, my sentences begin with a capital letter. So let's check my sentences. Look at the beginning. Do I have a capital letter? Yes. So I'll check this box. Number 2, my sentences end with a period. Let's check. I have a period at the end of all the sentences. So I'll check this box. Now, number 3, my words are in the correct order. Yes, look, all my words are in the correct order. Perfect. Now it's your turn. Draw your favorite character and write your story based on your own idea web. Then check your writing and check the checklist. Now that's the end of the class today. I'll give you some homework. Workbook page 40 and 41. That's your homework for today. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time and have a magical day.